Good morning. I know it's been a while since I've had a video. Some of you or most of you probably haven't noticed. I have been working on a lot of personal projects that none of which most people would find interesting. So what I'm going to do here is this is a quick video about battery adapters. Recently, or not recently, actually it was many years ago, wanted to be able to just use whatever batteries I had available when I was working on old transistor radios. I didn't want to have to go buy some D batteries or C batteries just to test a radio. So I bought a bunch of these, and so basically what these are is you can use AA or even AAA batteries in devices that use AA, C, or even D batteries. The advantage to doing this is if you know, if it's an emergency and you need something to work, then these are fine. They won't last as long as an actual D battery or C battery, but for an emergency, or that's all you've got, these work fine. I won't be posting a price or any links to any sellers because I got these so long ago. The prices I paid the sellers I got them from are either gone or don't sell them anymore, or the prices have changed. So the way these work is for the AAA to AA converter, you just slip it in half and then put it inside, and then when you have more than one, they will make contact, and they'll just work as whatever. The way these work is you just take your AA battery and you push them in here, and they sort of are supposed to lock on the ridge at the top. Don't really lock very well, but it doesn't really matter because as long as you have multiples of these, when installed in a device, they work just fine. And then of course you can use this with the D batteries. You could even go so far as to nest them. You could try and use the AAA inside the C or the D. I don't know how well that's worked. I've never needed it, but I have used these on a couple of occasions, and for the most part they work. These I think are the ones that would be least likely to work. They seem to have some slop in them, but that could be made up with a piece of aluminum foil or something stuck in one side. So anyways, That's it. Thanks for watching.